Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am with my friend. We will present about our presentation, and the title is Sociolinguistic in English Language Teaching. So the first will be present by Raudatul Hasanah. Time is yours.
The first definition of sociolinguistic. Sociolinguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and society. It focuses on how language use varies according to social factors such as culture, social class, gender, ethnicity, and the situation in which communication takes place. Through sociolinguistics, language is viewed not only as a system of rules but also social practice. And then sociolinguistics and ELT. In English language teaching, sociolinguistics plays an important role in helping learners understand how English is used in real life communication. It emphasizes that learning English is not only about mastering grammar and vocabulary, but also about using language appropriately according to context, understanding, and purpose. And then communicative competence. Competence refers to the ability to use language appropriately in social context. Cannell and Swain further developed this context into four components. The first, grammatical competence, knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. Sociolinguistic competence, appropriateness of language uses. Discourse competence, strategis competence, communication. Oke, selanjutnya
Sociolinguistic competence. Sociolinguistic competence is the ability to choose language forms that are appropriate to a particular social situation. This includes understanding levels of formality, politeness, strategies, culture norms, and the relationship between speakers. Students with good sociolinguistic competence can communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstanding. So this slide explains about sociolinguistic competence, which is the ability to use language appropriately in different social situations. It means that students must be understand when, how, and to whom they should speak in certain way. This includes knowing the level of formality, politeness strategies, culture norm, and the relationship between speakers. Students who have got good sociolinguistic competence can communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstanding in real life communication. So, continue. Language variation in English. English shows a wide range of variation depending on social and geographical factors. This variation includes difference between formal and informal language, regional dialects, accent, and global varieties such as British English, American English, and World Englishes. Understanding this variation helps learners become more flexible and tolerant language users. So this slide discuss about language variation in English. English is not single fixed language, but it's varied depending on social and geographical factors. This variation includes formal and informal language. By understanding this variation, learners become more flexible, open-minded, and tolerant language users. Next, first example, formal and informal language use. In sociolinguistic-based ELT, students learn when to use formal or informal expressions. For example, formal, could you please assist with me this task, sir? Informal, can you help me with this? Teachers can explain that the choice depends on the relationship between speakers and the situation. The second example, politeness and culture norms. Different cultures express politeness in different ways. In English, indirect expressions are often used to show politeness. For example, close the door may sound right in some contexts. A more polite form would be, could you please close the door? Students learn how cultural values influence language choice. The third example, word English in the classroom. Sociolinguistics encourage the recognition of word Englishes in ELT. Students are exposed to different English accents and speaking styles from various countries. The focus is placed on intelligibility and effective communication rather than native pronunciation. Continue. Application of sociolinguistics in ELT classroom. Teachers can apply sociolinguistic principles by using role plays, simulation, and authentic materials such as video and dialogue. Class discussion about culture difference and social norms can also help students develop sociolinguistic awareness and improve their communication competence. So continue by Ida.
Okay, next about importance of sociolinguistic in EFL context. So why important? Because in EFL context such as Indonesia, English is mainly used as an international language. Sociolinguistics helps students prepare for intercultural communication, build confidence in using English, and reduce the belief that only native speakers use English correctly. So, next about conclusion. In conclusion, sociolinguistics provides an important foundation for English language teaching. By integrating sociolinguistic principles into ELT, teacher can help students use English in a more meaningful, appropriate, and cultural sensitive way in real life communication. That is all from our group. We hope it's useful. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's all our presentation. I'm sorry for our mistake, and last we say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.